Before buying a camp stove, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about how many burners it has or how much it costs. It's about how well it performs when you really need it. Product number 1, Fire Maple Fix Star 1. Let's kick things off with the Fire Maple Fix Star 1. Priced at $49.95, this backpacking stove caught my eye because it's labeled a bestseller with a solid 4.5-star rating from over 2,500 reviews. If you want a reliable stove that's perfect for hiking or fishing trips, this is worth a serious look. What sets the Fire Maple apart is its highly efficient heat exchange technology, reducing boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional stoves. Imagine being able to boil water quickly when you're out in the wild without waiting around forever. Plus, it's super compact and lightweight, weighing in at just 18 ounces. All the accessories fit into a 1-liter cook pot, making it easy to pack. Here's why this matters for you specifically: fewer trips back to camp and more time enjoying nature. Now, some people complained about the lack of a fuel canister included in the package. Here's the thing though, most canisters are compatible, except for Coleman ones, so it's a minor inconvenience for a stove that's so efficient. This is perfect for you if you're an avid hiker or camper who values portability and speed. Skip this one if you're looking for a multi-burner setup. For the price, it's a great value for outdoor cooking. Now, if the Fire Maple's lack of multiple burners bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gas One High Pressure Burner. Next up is the Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner, priced at just $30. It boasts a 4.5-star rating with over 3,400 reviews, and it's another bestseller. If you're looking for a simple, high-output cooking solution for tailgating or camping, this one's definitely worth considering. We're talking about serious heat here, which is essential when you're trying to whip up a meal outdoors. Plus, it features a protective heat guard to catch spills and prevent burns, so safety is a priority here. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky for backpacking. But if you're planning a camping trip with a vehicle, that's honestly not a huge deal. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful burner for larger meal prep outdoors. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable for hiking. Given the price, it's certainly a solid investment for outdoor enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Gas One Dual Fuel Stove. Coming in at $59.99, we have the Gas One 15,000 BTU Dual Fuel Stove. This one's rated 4.7 stars with over 740 reviews and is highly praised for its versatility. If you want a stove that can handle both propane and butane, this is worth a serious look. The dual fuel capability is a game changer, allowing you to use either 8 Oz camping fuel or a 1 lb propane cylinder, making it super flexible for different camping situations. Plus, the piezoelectric ignition system means you can start cooking without a match, which is a huge convenience when you're outdoors. And with a robust wind blocker, it can handle breezy conditions, ensuring your flames stay lit. Now, some users found it a bit tricky to use initially. But once you get the hang of it, this stove really shines in performance and safety. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stove for various outdoor conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple. For the price, it gives you great versatility that's hard to beat. Now, if you need something even more powerful, the next stove on our list brings some serious heat. Product number 4, ROVSUN 2-Burner Stove. Next, we have the ROVSUN 2-Burner Outdoor Propane Gas Stove for $84.54. With a strong 4.5-star rating from 1,100 reviews, it's perfect for those who want to cook multiple dishes at once. If you often cook for a group, this one's definitely worth a look. With a whopping 150,000 BTU output, it allows you to cook large meals quickly. You can adjust the flame for each burner separately, which is great for frying or boiling different foods simultaneously. The quick assembly and easy transport make it ideal for camping trips, backyard cookouts, or even home brewing. However, some users have mentioned it can be a bit cumbersome to set up if you're alone. But honestly, for the output it provides, the slight hassle is worth it if you often cook for a crowd. This is perfect for you if you love cooking big meals outdoors for family or friends. Skip this one if you need something compact for solo trips. At this price, it's a fantastic choice for serious outdoor cooks. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next product has you covered. Product number 5. Gas One Portable Butane Stove. Finally, let's look at the Gas One Portable Butane Camping Stove, priced affordably at $24.99. With an impressive rating of 4.7 stars and over 8,300 reviews, it's the go-to for many outdoor enthusiasts. If you want something compact and easy to use, this is definitely a solid option. Plus, it comes with a carrying case, making it super portable for all your adventures. The automatic ignition feature is a lifesaver, letting you start cooking without any extra tools. Some users have noted that it's not as powerful as some larger stoves. But here's the thing, for a lightweight, budget-friendly option, it does a fantastic job for quick meals and is perfect for emergency kits. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for casual cooking. Skip this one if you're planning on cooking large meals. For the price, it's an excellent choice for anyone needing something easy and reliable. So there you have it. We covered 5 fantastic camp stoves. The Fire Maple Fixed Star One for portability, the Gas One High Pressure Burner for power, the Gas One Dual Fuel Stove for versatility, the ROVSUN for group cooking, and the Gas One Portable Butane Stove for compact convenience. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your outdoor cooking needs best.